Have you ever been driving and suddenly noticed your check engine light turn on? Don't panic, but don't ignore it either. At PMJ Auto Repair Services, we want you to understand what your vehicle is trying to tell you. In today's modern vehicles, your car is constantly monitoring itself using dozens of sensors and computers. When something isn't working the way it should, the vehicle's onboard computer turns on the check engine light to alert you. The check engine light can turn on for many reasons, some minor and some more serious. Something as simple as a loose or faulty gas cap can trigger the light. Problems with sensors such as oxygen sensors and mass airflow sensors, issues with emission systems which help keep your car environmentally friendly, engine misfires, ignition problems, or fuel system issues. In some cases, even transmission-related issues or internal engine problems. If your check engine light is solid, it usually means that the vehicle should be checked soon, but it's typically safe to drive it for a short time. If the light is flashing, that's a warning of a serious issue that could cause damage. You should stop driving and have your vehicle inspected immediately. Even if the car seems to be driving fine, ignoring the check engine light can lead to reduced fuel economy, increased emissions, more expensive repairs down the road, and potential engine or catalytic converter damage. At PMJ Auto Repair Services, we use advanced diagnostic equipment to read your vehicle's trouble codes and pinpoint the exact cause of the problem. That means no guessing, just accurate repairs you can trust. If your check engine light is on, let PMJ Auto Repair Services take care of it before a small issue becomes a big repair. Give us a call or schedule a diagnostic today. We're here to keep your vehicle running safely and efficiently. Visit us at www.pmjautorepairservices.com.